Actually, this nominal number has no actual value, no position also. It has no value. It has no. It is not describing any position. Just
Okay,
for
ma'am.
naming, you will represent the number, roll number, register number, and all there. No, that is under
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
nominal number. Okay.
For registration purpose.
Yes.
Okay.
Euler's number. Go to next slide.
Yes, ma'am.
Euler's number. This is a very important number. Value of this number is 2.7182818. Okay. Symbol of
Yes,
this
ma'am.
Euler's number is E.
Okay, ma'am.
Actually, it is an irrational number.
Because it doesn't repeat after the decimal point.
Very good.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. It's a irrational number. In logarithmic, you will use this number log E. Logarithmic only we will use the Euler's number. This one we will see afterwards. We will get some sums in this Euler's number.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
One more thing is golden ratio. It's a very special number. This is also a irrational number. These digits are no. It doesn't follow any pattern. I'll tell you.
Okay.
1.618. Approximately it will equal to 1.618. It's not following any pattern. It's a irrational number and special. It's very very special. This number is called golden ratio.
Golden.
Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now go to second slide. We'll see number system.
Okay.
Now you are very familiar with all numbers, I think so.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Decimal number means a decimal number you know, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Binary
After.
numbers means yeah, I'll tell you. Binary numbers are there, no? It consists of only two numbers, base 2.
Okay.
That means 0 and 1. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You can convert any number in zeros and ones. I'll tell you how we
Okay,
can convert.
ma'am.
I'll give you 14. Okay, you have to convert this 14 in the form of zeros and ones. Okay, for
Okay,
that
ma'am.
you have to divide this number only with 2. Only one.
Two.
Yes, only with 2 you have to divide. Okay, divide the 14 with 2. What will come?
Seven, ma'am.
7. Is there any reminder?
Seven is there, ma'am.
7 is not a reminder. Reminder means what?
Balance.
Is there any balance?
No, ma'am.
No. So then we will put 0.
Okay.
Again you divide this 7 by 2. What will come here?
Seven by two, ma'am.
Hmm. Don't divide
Three.
exactly. Don't divide exactly. Okay. Nearest number. You can divide by nearest number.
Three, ma'am. Six will
3.
come.
Okay. 6 will come. What's the remainder?
One, ma'am.
1. Again you divide. What will come?
Three minus two.
3 minus 2.
No, ma'am. You said to divide it by two, no, ma'am. Three
2.
minus.
That means 1. We can put 1 now.
Yeah, ma'am.
Balance?
Balance. We have one, ma'am.
1. Now you have to take all these 4 digits. Okay. For 14. Decimal number means you have to write the base as 10. So 14 base 10. You are converting this 14 into binary number. Okay. 1,
Okay.
1, 1, 0. Base 2. This is binary number.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give you one example.
Yes, ma'am.
Just try. Okay, 25.
25.
Try to solve this.
Okay, ma'am.
You're writing, Anna. Go to third
Yes,
slide
ma'am.
and write.
Third slide.
Uh,
Okay, ma'am.
if I change the slide, it is not visible to you.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Is it correct, ma'am?
Correct, Rai, you're so sharp.
Mhm.
How we have to write? Always from bottom to top. Always.
Okay, ma'am. So we have to write 11001. Ma'am.
11001.
One.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Go to slide 2.
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Octal number system is there, no? For octal number system, base is 8. Okay. Base 8
okay.
means it will use the number between 0 and 7.
017.
Yes. Now go to slide. Go to last slide. Last slide means 15 or 16. You
190 ladies.
Yeah. 15 you go.
15. Yes, ma'am. Slide.
215. It is a octal number. Okay.
How, ma'am?
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay.
We are converting this octal number to decimal actually.
Okay.
Okay. How we can convert means 2 into 8 power of raised power 2, then 1 into 8 raised to 1, 5 into 8 power 0. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm not getting
Uh,
part, ma'am. Can you explain again?
you have to take individual number. You have to all the digits from left to right. First digit is 2 into 8 power of 2. Okay.
Okay.
Then 1 is there, no? You have to add 1 into, you have to reduce the powers. Totally 3 digits are there. So you have to start with 0. 0, 1, 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Then again you have to add and 5 into 8 power 0. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now
We
you
have
can
to
calculate
split that
1.
number. We have to
Uh,
split that number and multiply it
with
with 8 power.
8 powers. Yes.
Okay.
You have to start with some power, no? This power, for this power you have to count what how many digits are there. Totally three digits are there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So then you can reduce one power, 3 minus 1, because you have to start with 0. If you start
Okay.
with 0, totally it will also come as 3 digit.
Okay.
Now we can multiply normally. 8 square is
64, ma'am.
now you can do, no? Do.
I'll do, ma'am.
Wait, anything power 0 is equal to 1. Anything
Okay, ma'am.
you have written as 0.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Go to next slide now.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will convert a decimal to octal.
Okay, ma'am.
What we did in binary, no, same thing we have to do here also. 127 here, but we have to divide. Their base is 2. Binary, for binary system base is 2. So we divide the decimal number with 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Octal means what is a base?
8, ma'am.
So you have to divide the decimal number by 8.
8. Ma'am, should I directly divide it or use the methods in
Directly you
binary?
can divide. 8 127 means
Ma'am?
127 is there. You have to divide directly by 8.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Reminder.
1 minute, ma'am. The pen is not working.
Again 8.
Is this how we do, ma'am?
That's all.
Okay.
That's all, ma. You can't divide further, no?
Okay. Yes,
So
ma'am.
as usual, bottom to top you have to write. No need, that's all. You can't divide 1 with 8. No?
Okay, ma'am.
So answer will be 177 base 8. This is what we have to
Okay.
convert. Okay.
Okay.
Up to this, you have
Ma'am,
any? Uh,
yes,
tell, ma.
ma'am. But here you gave 127 power 8, 10, no, ma'am.